We often treat healthy eating like a sterile checklist. We run through a daily routine of swallowing concentrated supplements or forcing down specific superfoods. The result is a dietary paradox. We are swallowing more pure vitamins and raw calories than at any point in human history. Yet despite this massive intake, our bodies often fail to absorb the payload. You can consume thousands of milligrams of pure nutrients and still end up biologically malnourished. The error lies in how we view these nutrients. Treating a vitamin as an isolated target completely misunderstands how human digestion operates. Human biology relies on a highly interdependent chemical matrix to physically unlock the value of the food we consume. To see this chemical matrix in action, we have to look past the dinner plate and down to your internal physiology, starting with the foundational macronutrients. In this cellular diagram, we can divide those macronutrients into 3 distinct physical roles. Carbohydrates provide immediate kinetic energy, proteins provide biological building blocks, and fats create the cellular boundaries. While these materials provide the necessary bulk, they remain biologically inert on their own. The body requires specific chemical facilitators to convert these raw materials into functional tissue and usable energy. This is where micronutrients, the vitamins and minerals, enter the process. They serve as biochemical catalysts, triggering the specific reactions that allow the cellular machinery to operate. Think of your body as an ongoing biological construction site. The macronutrients are the raw timber and concrete, but the micronutrients are the active workers that actually build the house. Down in the digestive tract, we call this biochemical teamwork cofactors. You need specific dietary nutrients working together to pull resources out of your food and into your bloodstream. Take a massive bowl of raw kale. It is packed with valuable vitamins A and K, but there is a biological problem. These specific vitamins are fat-soluble. On their own, your digestive tract cannot absorb them, and they simply bounce off the intestinal barrier. The solution requires a chemical partner. Introducing a dietary fat source, like a drizzle of olive oil or a handful of nuts, binds the fat molecules directly to the vitamins. Because of this pairing, the digestive wall easily recognizes the new combined molecule and pulls it smoothly into your system. We see a similar hurdle with plant-based iron, notoriously difficult for the gut to absorb. When you eat spinach or lentils, the iron physically resists absorption. It remains locked in a rigid state unless it encounters a highly specific chemical partner during digestion. That partner is vitamin C. The moment they connect, the vitamin C chemically alters the plant iron, shifting its molecular structure into a bioavailable form your body can use. Biological balance literally means providing your digestive system with the exact chemical cofactors required to trigger these vital chain reactions. At this scale, nutrition is more than just absorption. It is the primary way our environment communicates with our internal systems. Every vitamin and mineral carries a distinct signal that instructs cellular systems on how to operate and repair. In this sense, a meal functions as a complex biological instruction set. The sequence of this biological code only executes properly if all the interrelated lines of the script, both the macros and the micros, are present simultaneously. This shifts the entire focus of a healthy diet. We can step away from restrictive habits like hyperfixating on isolated nutrient counting or cutting out entire food groups. Instead, the goal becomes a matter of curation, aiming for maximum biological diversity on the plate. Eating a balanced, diverse diet is the active curation of a chemical environment, ensuring every nutrient has its partner to keep you thriving and alive.